In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your default Amazon list. This is a handy feature if you frequently use Amazon for shopping and want to streamline your wish list process. By setting a default list, you ensure that anytime you add items without choosing a specific destination, they automatically go to the list of your choice. It's a simple setup, and I'll guide you through each step to make it seamless. First, you'll need to sign in to your Amazon account. Head over to Amazon.com and you'll find the Sign In option at the top right corner of the screen. Log in with your credentials as you normally would. This step is crucial as it gives you access to all the personalized features of your account, including managing and customizing your wish lists. Once signed in, it's time to access your wish lists. Navigate to the top right of the page again, where you'll see Accounts and Lists. Hover over this section, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Your Lists. This will take you to an overview of all the lists you've created or saved, giving you a centralized place to manage them. Now, let's focus on selecting the list you want to set as your default. On the Your Lists page, browse through your lists and locate the one you use most frequently or want to designate as your default. If you don't have a list yet, you can create a new one by clicking on the Create a List button on that same page. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, let's assume you already have a list ready to go. Once you've identified the list you'd like to set as default, look for a small icon, 3 dots, also known as the 3-dot menu or ellipsis, located next to the title of the list. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select Set as Default. With just that click, you've told Amazon that this is now your main list, the go-to place for all those spontaneous additions you make while browsing. By setting your default list, you save time and effort, making your shopping experience a bit smoother. Every new item you add, whether it's the latest gadget or a must-read book, will automatically land in the list you've chosen. This way, you won't have to remember to specify where each item should go, keeping everything organized according to your preferences. So that's it. You've successfully learned how to set a default Amazon list, simplifying your online shopping adventures. Remember, you can always change your default list if your priorities shift, just by going through these steps again. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.